In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your CashFree payment gateway with Interact. To start the integration, simply log into the Interact platform. On the left-hand side, go to the integration section. Over here, you can see the CashFree app card present. Simply click on Connect to Interact. So the first step for integrating CashFree payment gateway with Interact is to configure the payment gateway workflow. To do so, simply click on the gear buttons. This will redirect you to a new tab where you can see the workflow has been pre-created for you to use. Click on this particular workflow. So basically, just to give an overview, what this workflow does is it creates an event on Interact whenever the payment status changes. So for example, as soon as the payment is succeeded or failed, it automatically creates an event on Interact, and basis on that, you can create an ongoing campaign as well, such that the automated messages can go through. Now, to do so, simply click on Install. Once the workflow has been installed, simply click on Edit Settings. Now here you can see it's asking you to authenticate your CashFree and your Interact account. So for the client ID and this client secret and the domain, you can go to your CashFree account. Over there, go to the developer section, click on API keys. Now, since this is a sandbox account and I already have an API key generated, so I'll just simply use the same one. You can simply create a new one by clicking on this Generate API Keys button. I'll just quickly use my API keys. We'll enter the client ID. We'll enter the secret key. The domain in this case would be sandbox, since I'm using a sandbox account. Or if you're using your production or CashFree account, you can simply just type in API over here. Once this is done, click on Connect, and your CashFree account has been authenticated. Similarly, for getting your API key, go back to your Interact account, simply tap on this developer settings, and you can just copy the secret key from here. Enter your secret key and hit Connect. Now that your CashFree and your Interact account has been authenticated successfully, simply go to the next tab, which is Flow Configuration, and just simply tap on this Activate button. As you can see, the workflow has been activated successfully. Now go back to the Connect section, and now you would see that webhook URL has been generated. Simply copy this webhook URL and go back to your CashFree account. Over here, under Developer section, go to Webhooks and go to Payment Link section. You can just click on Add Webhook Endpoint and just paste the webhook URL that you just got created. Simply click on Test and Add. Once you get this status success, you can simply hit the Add button, and the webhook has been configured successfully. Now go back to the Interact platform and enter the CashFree credentials again. Once you hit Submit, the integration would be connected successfully, and you can see it also over here. Now to simply test this out, all you can do is simply go to the inbox. I'll just test this out. My number. We can create a payment link over here. Click on Generate Payment Link. As you can see, the payment link has been created successfully. You can either copy the payment link, or you can just simply tap on the Send Click button and click on Send. Now the customer can simply tap on this particular payment link, make the payment. Let me just quickly do this. As you can see, the payment has been done successfully. Now, going back to the Interact account, the end customer will now get an automated message stating that your order has been placed. As you can see, I successfully received an automated message stating that your order has been placed, and to verify, you can see that the event has been created successfully with the same value. Uh, the payment mode as CashFree and the platform stating as WhatsApp inbox, since this payment link was generated via the inbox.